Waterfall Residences, the first Indo-Japanese mega real estate project in Sector 36A, Gurgaon, is here. It's a joint venture by Sumitomo Corporation of Japan and Krishna Group of India. It has options of 2 LDK, 3 LDK and 3 plus S LDK. For booking, call MANISH MANCHANDA at 9911911191. This project is located on Central Periphery Road, also known as CPR, and it's just 1.8 kilometers away from National Highway 8, and it's adjoining Dwarka Expressway, showing artistic view of the clubhouse, alfresco dining with pool view, restaurant, bar lounge, theatre, pool area, terrace garden, Tower C drop-off, Tower C lobby, and living and dining room. For site visit, free home pickup and drop, call Manish Manchanda at 9911191191.